3-1. Every one of us would have signed up. But I wonder, 0-2. But if you watch, fouled away. Grounded to short.
One out as they were
watching Loizaga, because to me, he's their high leverage guy. Strike throw. Yeah, you know.
ball one down. That is true, but also if the offense
300 hitting home runs at a great.
Here's the 1-2. That one fair ball down the line into right for Kirk. 7 3-hit games this year for Kirk.
Of Marwin Gonzalez for a leadoff single. Grounding out to third. A pick there by Gleyber Torres, saving a huge error. Benintendi shallow.
Airfield up at the plate in a 2-0 count.
A sold-out house here at Yankee